Push-ups are one of the most effective and timeless exercises for building a strong, well-developed chest. They require no equipment, no gym, and very little space, yet they can deliver powerful results when performed with proper form and consistency. Push-ups not only strengthen the chest muscles, but also engage the shoulders, triceps, core, and even the lower body. In this workout, we will focus on the 7 best push-up variations for chest development, helping you improve strength, endurance, muscle control, and definition right at home. Before beginning, take a moment to prepare your body. Gently rotate your shoulders, loosen your wrists, and shake out your arms. Engage your core and take a few deep breaths. Warming up properly allows your muscles and joints to move more efficiently and reduces the risk of injury. This workout is suitable for all fitness levels. If any movement feels too difficult, you can slow down, reduce the range of motion, or perform the exercise on your knees. What matters most is consistency and control. We begin with the standard push-up, which forms the foundation of all push-up variations. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and align your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Tighten your core, keep your neck relaxed, and focus your eyes slightly ahead of you. Slowly lower your chest toward the floor while inhaling, feeling the stretch across your chest muscles. Push back up as you exhale, squeezing your chest at the top. This movement targets the middle portion of the chest and builds overall upper body strength. As your muscles warm up, transition into wide push-ups. Move your hands farther apart than usual to increase chest activation. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your hips level with your shoulders. Lower your body slowly and feel the stretch across your chest. Push back up with control, maintaining tension throughout the movement. Wide push-ups are excellent for developing chest width and increasing muscle engagement. Next, move into decline push-ups. Place your feet on a chair, bench, or any elevated surface while keeping your hands on the floor. This variation shifts more of your body weight onto the upper chest and shoulders. Keep your core tight and your body stable as you lower yourself. Push back up slowly and maintain balance. Decline push-ups are especially effective for targeting the upper chest and building shoulder stability. Now transition into close grip push-ups. Bring your hands closer together directly under your shoulders. While this variation strongly targets the triceps, it also activates the inner chest when performed correctly. Keep your elbows close to your body as you lower yourself. Push back up with control and focus on squeezing your chest throughout the movement. Move slowly and maintain proper alignment. The 5th variation is the incline push-up. Place your hands on an elevated surface such as a bench, chair, or sturdy table. This reduces the overall intensity while still engaging the chest muscles. Incline push-ups are ideal for beginners or as an active recovery movement during longer workouts. Maintain proper posture, engage your core, and move through each repetition smoothly. Next, perform archer push-ups. Begin in a wide push-up position. As you lower your body, shift your weight toward one arm while keeping the opposite arm mostly straight. Push back up and switch sides. This variation increases time under tension and challenges one side of the chest at a time. Archer push-ups help improve muscle balance, control, and strength while adding variety to your workout. The final push-up variation is the slow tempo push-up. Lower your body as slowly as possible, taking several seconds on the way down. Pause briefly at the bottom, then push back up with control. This variation increases muscle tension and makes the chest work harder without adding extra weight. Focus on steady breathing and perfect form. Slow tempo push-ups are extremely effective for building muscle and improving control. As you move through these 7 push-up variations, your muscles will gradually begin to feel fatigued. This is a natural part of the training process. Muscle growth and strength development occur when you challenge your muscles beyond their comfort zone. Push-ups are not about rushing through movements or counting high numbers. They are about control, alignment, and intention. Keep your core engaged, your shoulders stable, and your movements smooth. As the workout continues, remind yourself why you started. Return to this workout regularly, challenge yourself gradually, and stay committed to your fitness journey.